So in this video, we are going to see exactly how to automate your property listing promotions and follow-ups using Go High Level. So starting with, we create a dynamic property listing form. So where do you create this form from? I go to sites, click on forms, click on builders, click on create a new one. Name it maybe a property listing form. Property listing form. And here I come. Now I add fields like property name. So let's not have these generic items, rather add something different over here. So what we do is we add text fields. So this is what we add over here. So okay, I can name it property name. Similarly, I can add fields for price, location, bedrooms, bathrooms, image upload, and agent contact info. Once the form is ready, what I would do is I would save it and integrate into my workflow. So I'll go back. I'll come here. I'll go to maybe my websites or the funnels. I'll create a new website from blank. So let's not go to the websites. I'll go to funnels. I create a new funnel from blank. Name it property listing funnel. Okay, I click on create. And I would embed the form that we just created with fields like, once again, property name, price, location, bedrooms, bathrooms, image upload, and agent contact info. I'll click on add a new step. So property listing form is my first step. I create a funnel step. And this could be a normal page inside the website, or this could be a funnel step. I click on edit in a new tab. I'll add the form over here. I'll add it over here. So let's say I add an element, I add the form, select the form, property listing form. So I should have changed the fields like first name, last name, because I only need fields like property name, price, location, bedrooms, bathrooms, image upload, etc. Once this form is filled up, I would publish it and keep this link and share this across my team. So whenever there's a new property listing that has come up, what they would only do is they would fill this form up, given all the details of the property name, the price, the location, the bedrooms, the bathrooms, the images, everything, the agent contact info, and just click on submit. And the moment they would submit this form, what would happen is I would go back and show you what exactly needs to be done here. I'll go back to automations, create a workflow, start from scratch, and I would automate the property listing distribution. So whenever a new property is listed, what exactly do you want to do? It would send automatic emails or SMS to your buyer database, showcasing the new property. Or you can even auto post into your connected Facebook page or WhatsApp group using third-party integrations. Now that's exactly how it is going to work. Like, so whenever there's a new property that is coming into your database, you just fill this form up and it is going to distribute it everywhere, whether by emails, SMSs, via WhatsApps, send it on your Facebook pages and everywhere. Now, once you have done this, what you would do is you can use tags like interested in 3 BHK or the budget of 250K to 350K to segment your list. And you create conditional workflows to send matching listings to interested buyers based on their preferences. So what I'm trying, and you add conditions in your workflow, it would check your conditions and only send those specific properties to those specific segmented people. You get the idea? Now, once that is done, you enable an instant lead responses with AI. What you are going to do is, whenever this distribution is emailed to your email list, your database of people. You add a button over there and ask people if you are interested, click on this link below. The moment they click on that link, you can again set a new trigger that this link was clicked. And since they clicked on this link, the next workflow would be triggered. Like if you see there, the trigger link clicked trigger. The moment a trigger link is clicked, you want to do what? You want them to call you, you want them to be called, you want them to be sent an SMS, an email with more details about the property, or how exactly, depending on how you want this workflow to work. If you are not sure about how it would work or how it should work, you simply need to click on Workflow AI, ask it the relevant questions, and you would get an entire workflow of how it should look like. Now, once you have done all of this, you can track the results and keep optimizing on it. Now, that's a quick brief about everything. Now, if you want access to all of this, including a 30 days free trial of Go High Level, proven templates, be a part of the private community, get access to an entire real estate automation course that was valued at more than $1,000, feel free to ask for the same or find the links in the resources section and I'll be having or helping you with it. Now, that's all.